ازيكم يا جماعة. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be translating a scene from my favorite Egyptian series called Ard al-Nifaq. In this particular scene, there are three characters: Mas'ud, Sally, and Baba, the father. So Sally, she works for the family, and Baba is the father of Mas'ud. He's about to get married, and Mas'ud, his son, and also the boss of this young lady, has sent her to ask the dad to buy some stuff for the meeting between the families. Without further ado, يلا بينا.
ازيك يا حاج اسماعيل؟
ازيك يا حاج اسماعيل. ازيك means how are you. يا حاج اسماعيل. Hajj is a term used usually for people who have men who have returned from Hajj, or the religious pilgrimage for Muslims. But it's also a term that's used, a respectful term for people over the age, men over the age of 50, let's say 60, maybe even. Ismail is his name. Hajj Ismail.
ازيك يا بنت سامية؟ في حاجة؟
ازيك يا بنت يا سامية. في حاجة. ازيك, because she's a woman. ازيك, how are you? Ya bint ya Samia. Samia, he calls her, even though, remember I said her name is Sally. Ya bint means girl. And because there's a huge age gap between them, because there's a bit of an age gap between them, he can refer to her as girl. I think Americans do this. Hey girl, that kind of thing. I'm from London, so we don't do that. And then he says to her, he asks her, fi haga, is there anything I can help you with? What's up? What's up?
سامية ماشي ما يضرش.
سامية ماشي ما يضرش. سامية ماشي, no problem, no worries, it's okay. ماشي ما يضرش. And the meme at the beginning and the shin at the end mean that it's a negation of the verb in the middle, which means to harm. So ما يضرش means there's no harm caused. There's no harm caused by him, from him calling her the wrong name.
بقول لك ايه، سي مسعود بعتني بالطلبات ديت عشان خاطر تجيبها لنا.
بقول لك ايه، سي مسعود بعت لي بالطلبات دي علشان خاطر تجيبها لنا. بقول لك ايه، tell you what. سي مسعود, Mr. مسعود بعت لي, has sent me بالطلبات دي, with these orders, like a list of things to buy. علشان خاطر علشان خاطر, for the sake of تجيبها لنا, for the sake of you buying them for us. So Mas'ud has sent her with a list of things for the father to buy.
هو عايز يعزم الناس على حسابي؟ فيها ايه الورقة دي يا ريا؟
وهو عايز يعزم الناس على حسابي. فيها ايه الورقة دي؟ اقريها. وهو عايز, and he wants, يعزم, to host الناس, the people, على حسابي, on my tab, by having me pay. فيها ايه, what is in الورقة دي, this paper. اقريها, read it. What is in this paper? Read what's in this paper.
ما تاخدهاش على قلبك قوي كده, بسيطة. شوف يا سيدي, 5 فرخات و3 كيلو لحمة و5 كيلو بصل و4 كيلو قوطة.
ما تاخدهاش على قلبك قوي كده, بسيطة. ما تاخدهاش على قلبك قوي means don't take it to heart. Do not take it to heart. That's the English equivalent. كده بسيطة. It is very بسيطة. Simple. شوف يا سيدي. Look sir. شوف. Look يا سيدي sir. 5 فرخات و3 كيلو لحمة و5 كيلو بصل و4 كيلو قوطة. So 5 kilos of 5 chickens, 3 kilos of meat, 5 كيلو بصل, 5 kilos of onions, 4 كيلو قوطة, 4 kilos of قوطة is also tomatoes. I think قوطة, the word comes from Farsi maybe.
خلاص! قولوا له مش هنعمل حاجة, هنقضيها ناشفة.
خلاص, that's it. خلاص, stop. قولوا له مش هنعمل حاجة and هنديها ناشفة. خلاص, قولوا له tell him مش هنعمل حاجة. مش هنعمل حاجة. هنعمل حاجة means we will do something. مش هنعمل حاجة means we won't do something. هنأديها ناشفة. We will conduct the meeting. هنأديها ناشفة, dry. Dry in this particular case meaning without there being any refreshments.
طب بقول لك ايه، هو قال لي يعني لو رفضت اجيب من عندك صندوقين حاجه ساقعه.
طب بقول لك ايه again. هو قال لي يعني لو رفضت اجيب من عندك صندوقين حاجة ساقعة. طب بقول لك ايه, tell you what. هو قال لي he told me يعني لو رفضت low if رفضت you refuse, and she says it twice meaning that if you completely refuse أجيب من عندك, to bring من عندك from you صندوقين 2 cases of حاجة ساقعة as fizzy drinks.
هو عاوز يقلبني في اي حاجه وخلاص؟ ده هما اتنين اللي جايين صندوقين حاجه ساقعه عليه.
وهو عاوز يقلبني في أي حاجة وخلاص. وهو عاوز and عايز are the same. وهو عاوز and he wants يقلبني في أي حاجة, to take anything from me وخلاص and that's it. لو هما اتنين اللي جايين, they are two اللي جايين who are coming. صندوق حاجة ساقعة ليه؟ صندوق a case of حاجة ساقعة of fizzy drinks ليه؟ Why a case of fizzy drinks for 2 people?
قولوا له ابوك هيجيب الحاجه الساقعه وهو جاي، ولا بلاش الحاجه الساقعه، قولوا له يعمل شاي، ولو مش عايز يعمل شاي هنقضيها ناشفه وغوري من وش السعاده.
Which is true. قولوا له أبوك هيجيب الحاجة الساقعة وهو جاي. قولوا له tell him أبوك your father هيجيب will bring الحاجة الساقعة the fizzy drinks وهو جاي when he is coming. Or when he arrives, when he's coming, he'll bring it when he comes. He'll bring it with him essentially. ولا بلاش الحاجة ساقعة. Forget the fizzy drinks. بلاش has many meanings. In this particular case, it means forget it. بلاش الحاجة ساقعة. Forget the fizzy drinks. قولوا له يعمل شاي. قولوا له tell him يعمل شاي. To make شاي. Tea. ولو مش عايز يعمل شاي ولو مش عايز if مش عايز doesn't want يعمل شاي to make tea هنأديها نشوة. We will conduct this meeting without there being any refreshments. وغوري من وشي السعادي. Get out of my face السعادي right now. And there we have it. It's a funny clip. And I'm going to insert it so you can listen to it without having my lovely face pop up every 2 seconds to explain what they're saying. I'll put the clip or the link of the clip in the description below. This is how you know I don't really know much about YouTube. And until next time, salam.